Welcome to my girlfriend's quilt shop. We are so excited today because I have two very special guests with me from the Whole Country Caboodle. I have Leanne and Kaytlyn.
Hi.
And we have spent a wonderful day learning all about Appliqué and line that they have with dogs.
Yes.
And you spent some time with Jackie, so be sure to check in and check that out. But I think I got the better end of the deal because we are talking all about pillows and pillow wraps. Now, if you do not know what a pillow wrap is, you are in for a treat because these pillow wraps are first of all to die for, and second of all ingenious, and third of all, I have to have all of them. So Leanne, tell us a little bit about pillow wraps.
Well, I started out with a program Kaytlyn and I did called Wrapped in Love.
Wrapped in Love,
yes,
okay.
Yes, and we used the base of the little pillow cover was a towel.
Okay.
And we
Like a little tea towel.
Yep,
Okay.
little tea towel. There was a wrap that went vertically around it, and then we had like a, for Halloween we'd have a big jack-o'-lantern or something like that. Well, my husband cuts all the foam. We use a fusible foam in it, and there was a 7-inch piece left on every cut.
Okay.
And so we had thousands.
A lot.
Oh, thousands of 7-inch foams. And if you're like every quilter,
Yes.
you never throw anything
No.
away.
Well, that's just
You just
wasteful.
might need it.
We had the corner of one of our rooms in one of our buildings full.
Yeah.
Okay. And so Kaytlyn and I started talking that we needed to design another program using that 7-inch piece of foam because we couldn't throw them away. And so thus the reason that we came up with Wrapped in Words.
Wrapped with words.
Wrapped with words, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wrapped with words.
Yes.
Oh, my
so
word.
there
So
is
cute.
there's one for every month. Yep. And each one of them focuses on one word.
Okay. I know you have one over there and you're going to disassemble it
I
right
am.
in front of
I
our
am.
eyes and show us what this pillow wrap does.
Absolutely. Kaytlyn, you want to show them the pattern?
So when you purchase one of our kits, you're going to get the full pattern in here. You're going to get your layout for the applique,
Okay.
full layout, and then also in some of our kits, not all of them, we also include the extra pieces if you want to cut your own, and those are all to scale and reversed. The back is going to tell you what's included and all the extra materials you might need.
Okay, and you guys are genius because I have a
we
little
are?
FOMO.
Why?
Fear of missing out.
Yes.
Turn this back over
Oh,
again.
okay.
Because
I
look
did-
what you do. You tempt me with every single
you want
option
that
that there
one?
is.
Yep.
I have to have all of them.
Yeah.
I
Well, we
absolutely
can-
have to have
we
all.
can
You
make
can help
that
me out with
happen.
that.
Yeah.
Okay.
We
Perfect.
won't,
All right.
we
Continue
will not
on.
make them for you, but
No.
we'll tell you where to get them. Yep, so you're going to get your full pattern. You get your laser pre-cut, pre-fused appliques. So
Okay, say that again.
Yeah, laser, pre-cut, pre-fused.
Okay,
applique
music to
pieces.
my ears.
Exactly.
Because
Yes.
one thing I hate about applique is, have you
Yeah.
ever cut out a circle?
Oh, and it's not a circle?
It's never a circle.
Ours are perfect.
Yes,
These-
I love this. And the pre-cut,
Yep.
pre-fused, because I also gum up my iron every single
Oh,
time
yeah.
with heat and bond.
Yep.
But you're going to do the work for me.
We do
Absolutely.
we do half the work for you. So you'll kind of see here, which is kind of nice. If we cut these all individually, that would be a lot for our people who assemble to
Yes.
try to remember to put 16 different leaves on.
And inevitably,
but then
I'm
you
gonna
put
be the
them
one with
all on one sheet, and then you clip them apart. So we kind of do one little tip is to take your fusible off the back first, and then clip all your pieces, because then you're not then taking it off of
Right.
each
Oh, perfect. I love
individual
that.
little green piece.
Okay.
So here's all your black pieces. Another thing that's really important when you're getting our laser appliques is that because I put so many pieces on one color, don't throw away your scraps, because someone might miss that there's a bat up here. They might not see that, or that these are all the different teeth.
Yeah, those are the teeth for the jack
yep.
and the eyes.
Okay, Kaytlyn, you're speaking my language because I'm a thrower.
Okay, yeah, don't throw it away.
I know.
You keep it all until you're absolutely done. But then the good news is if you do throw something away, we would love to send it to you in the mail.
Well, I'm going to just not throw it away
we
until
might
I'm
give
done
you a
with
little
the
grief.
project.
We'll give you some grief, but we'll send it to
They'll
you.
be like, Allison,
Yep.
is that you again? We've sent you 5 teeth.
We have a few people like that.
Yeah, it's okay. We love them anyways. This one too, a lot of little pieces. So yeah, this is all your laser pre-cut pieces. So you're
I
going to
love
assemble your whole thing. Then
Okay.
next, it's going to be your twill tape, and you'll kind of see when Mom disassembles this, that like what the twill tape's for.
Okay.
Get your houndstooth. So one thing that we did in these pillows is that we have 4 different lines of basics with Henry Glass fabrics. And so this is our houndstooth basic. We wanted to really incorporate all those into our pillows.
Yes,
and so
I
it
love
just
them.
makes them so bright, and they look like us because they're our colors. So
And they're just really classic.
Yep.
The houndstooth and the plaids, I just really
Yeah.
love them. And then a little bit of whimsy.
A little
bit of whimsy.
With your
Yep.
bubbles.
Yeah, the
and-
bubbles.
Yep.
So this is your bias plaid. And then you want to tell them about those?
Yeah, this is a stabilizer that we use just to stabilize the stitches when you're appliquing. And so it's put only on a single layer,
Okay.
under a single layer of fabric, and it's to stabilize. It's actually on the base part of the pillow. So you don't need it when you stitch on the foam, but you need it when you stitch on the
You
just
know
a
what
single
I love
layer.
about the thought of that? It just came to me, is that on your lighter color fabrics, I bet you don't see your stitches through the top of the lighter color fabrics if you're using that stabilizer.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh,
Exactly.
Brilliant.
Yep.
Brilliant. You
Yep.
ladies are so
So
smart.
yes, we have that, and then we have a fusible foam, and so this
What?
is fusible on one side,
Okay.
and it's kind of got a tricot on the other side, so it's very soft. But the fun thing about this is you just fuse that fabric on there, and then you put the applique on, and you're ready to stitch.
What?
Yeah, you don't have to quilt it. If you're using our bias plaid on some of this, it's really super easy to quilt because you
Right,
can
you
just
follow the
stitch
line,
in the
stitch in the
line.
ditch.
Yeah, it's so easy.
Oh my word.
Yeah.
And these were your 7-inch pieces
Yes.
that you had stacked floor to ceiling.
And now they're all gone.
oh. I hope not all gone because I will be
we-
placing
he's
an
cutting
order.
more.
No, my dad is the cutter of all those things. He has. So we built. You want to tell him quick about the Janny Shack, real fun?
Oh, I would love to. My mother passed away a couple of years ago, and her name was Jan. And Jan worked for me for quite a few years, and she did all the assembling of our kits. She folded patterns.
Oh,
I never
but
had
you
a
miss
folder.
her.
Yeah.
I
Never
miss her
had
in
an
more
automatic
ways,
folder.
yes.
Okay, one thing about me, Leanne, I'm a crier. You're going to get me
I
going
heard
right
that.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go.
Where are the tissues? Are they down?
We are
I'm good
too,
for a
Allison. We
minute. All
are
right,
too.
we'll
But
cry
you know,
together over
I think
lunch.
that's a good thing.
All right.
And my mom left me a little bit of an inheritance, and I told my husband, I said, you know, where we live is where we have our shop.
Yes.
It's out in the country, and I said I would like to use that to honor Mom. And so we built another building, and we affectionately call it the Janny Shack.
Oh my,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah,
yeah.
You just goosebumped me.
Yes, and so
Oh,
that's
I love that.
yeah. Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
thank you. That is so beautiful.
Absolutely. What I really want to do, though, is kind of show you,
Yes.
Allison,
That's
a little
what I
bit
want to-
about.
I mean, look at these, but you have to see how these come together.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Well, this is the wrap, what we refer to as the wrap. And of course, it's wrapped with words, and so every one of them features a word. This is gather, this is September. But actually, these are tied on with twill
my
tape.
word.
You know, you don't have to have anything more for closure. We just use a little piece of twill tape, but it
Cute.
works. It's got a 4-inch overlap on the
Okay.
back, so there's no more closure
So,
with that.
envelope backing.
And the best thing is we use the same fabric for the inset as we do for the wrap. When you put it on there, you know exactly where to place it.
And then you just need one pillow.
That's what I love.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. One
Yep.
pillow, not a lot of storage. You can iron and fold these and put them away, hang them in
Exactly.
your closet. But also what I loved is maybe you're a little bit of a minimalist.
Yeah.
And you don't love the applique.
Right.
You could just wrap
Oh.
any pillow
Yeah.
with these wraps, right?
Oh, for sure.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Oh,
yeah.
Yep.
I just tell you, like I said, I think I got the best segment. I'm just saying. I'm a complete sentiment girl because I know, Leanne, you mentioned, and I want to hear you say it again, that you like things to mean something positive.
Absolutely.
So give us your
Absolutely.
philosophy on that, and then I will
Well,
share.
specifically, like when Kaytlyn and I design a line of fabric, we do a lot for children. And I have 8 grandchildren.
I love
You have
that.
10, I have 8.
Yes.
And they are really, truly our inspiration because I think to myself when I'm writing these, what would my grandkids like to hear? And we believe really strongly in a positive message. There's too much negativity in our world.
Right.
And if we can spread a little positivity through what we do on fabric, then that's what our goal is.
Oh my God. So we have a be kind. We have a spooky.
Yep.
There's be merry, thankful, and gather, and so many things. So, all right, really quick, because I got to get sewing, because I got to start ordering. Give me a few really fun basics that would help me put this together. So, the fusible foam.
Yep, the fusible foam
is a must-have. And I do love that it doesn't require a lot of quilting.
It
Because
doesn't.
I think sometimes our customers are like, I get this all together and then I either have to pay to have it quilted,
Right.
or I have to worry about quilting it myself. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm a quilt by check girl.
Yep.
I mean, you know, I love to piece and sew.
Yeah.
Yep.
But
Well,
I'm not a great
and
quilter.
we kind of come at things, Allison, a little bit too, that, you know, some of our quilters and our seamstresses or whatever, they like quick projects.
Yes.
This is what I would consider a quick project. And so, you know, you can put together a pillow very easily. Now, if you're doing this applique, some people get a little bit, you know, they kind of shy away from fusible raw edge applique, but this comes all cut for you.
Right.
So if you want to, you can literally put this on here. Now, we do say that because we use a fusible that is a light, heat and bond light, you do want to stitch it down. We have some gals that literally straight stitch about 1/8 of an inch off the edge.
Okay.
There's some that just use a zigzag stitch and go around it. We prefer the blanket stitch. And then the only other thing that we do on this is I stitch 1/4 inch around it. That's the only quilting that's done on this entire project.
And you just, on your machine, just set that to 1/4 inch, go slow, and just
I just,
follow
yeah, I
those letters
actually
around.
put my 1/4 inch foot on and I run my foot along the edge, and that's how I do it.
Absolutely
Yeah.
fantastic.
Yeah,
And,
so-
and one thing when I first started appliquing, and I kind of hated myself, is I would zig with a monofilament. So
Oh,
it was
yes. Oh,
yeah.
it was completely invisible
Right.
to the
Oh.
naked eye. And that was, I mean, that was a lifesaver. Because I think that applique, when you first started appliquing, wasn't it hard to get it down just a little bit and then all of a sudden you're like, okay, I'm not doing so bad. Like all of a sudden it clicks.
Well, it
confident.
is. It's like riding a bike. You know, you get on, you ride, and then you get off. Okay, it comes back. You know,
Right.
and the more you do it, the better you get. Applique is my love,
Okay.
and I use the same color
Okay.
of thread as the fabric. Part of that too is I feel like it's a little bit more forgiving.
Oh, amen.
You know, and I like my stitches to show.
Okay.
You know, so I have a tendency to, you know, that's kind of part of the charm of it, I think.
So we're going to put together the pillow wrap, but then also the pillow form.
Yes, yes. So,
Not the form,
so
the pillow
basically,
cover.
you know, yeah. What I do is I instruct. Now, like these all come together. So this little line, this little strip,
Yes.
these are on that.
What?
Just like, yeah. So
Oh my gosh, in my head, I was ironing every single thing.
Yeah.
no,
What?
no.
At
they-
least on most of them.
Yeah, most of them do. Most of them do. Absolutely. Some of these are
The
individual,
eggs, I think, are the only ones that don't.
but the
You
layout.
just blew my mind.
I tried to add a strip to the
Okay,
bottom.
let's swap out
Yeah.
this pillow for that pillow,
Yep.
so that they can see exactly how
Absolutely.
that comes together.
Okay, so these are separate. So these little pumpkins, of course, are separate, and I teach how to assemble that whole pumpkin before you put it on the wrap. The letters, of course, are separate as well. But when you take that off, and you've got your insert, so I instruct how to put this together. There's a certain size that you cut for the insert. You put the side pieces on, and then that stitch line is exactly where you put this line of pumpkins.
Could you make that any easier?
I have
Say that one more
yeah,
time
I know.
because
stitch it
I
for
that
you.
cannot
Yeah,
be
I can,
easy.
yeah, well, we could. So
But
yes,
you won't.
when you
We don't have time for
when
that.
you put this insert and these two pieces together, where you stitched that is exactly where this lays down. So
Oh,
there's no
my word,
guesswork.
there's no measuring,
And
there's
I've
no
made
ruler,
them
there's no-
just a little narrower than the wrap, so that when you put the wrap on. What did one of the gals call those peekaboo pumpkins?
Yes.
I thought
Yes.
that was cute. When you put the wrap on, it covers those little lines, and so there's no guesswork as far as where
There's
you
no
put this.
directional fabric because you do it both ways.
Exactly.
Oh my heck.
But the beauty is that in the kits, you get everything you need except for time
And a sewing machine.
Sewing machine, which that's kind
yeah,
of
that's
expensive.
what I was
and your
going to
thread.
say.
Yeah.
I mean, as these came out, I mean, I'm like, there isn't anything I would need to purchase
No.
Just the kit. And then
Exactly.
you're telling me that I can get this done in an afternoon or a weekend.
Right.
Oh, easily.
Yep.
Easily.
Guess
Get your
what?
girlfriends together and sew at a cabin
your
on the
house.
lake.
Oh my word. I just absolutely am dying to get these. And I'm so excited. Come onto our website at mygirlfriendsquiltshop.com or watch our live sales. Even a funner way to do do that.
Absolutely.
Follow the link below because that's just the easiest way to find us if you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook. All right. Anything else you'd like to share?
You know, we just love the fact that we've been, able to come and share some of this with you. Kaytlyn and I like to say that we feel like our gifts have been given to us by our higher power, and to us, being able to give back to people and then to hear their excitement, there's nothing better.
Well, the
There's nothing better.
relationships that I have made and the friendship that, I just feel instantaneous with both of you ladies. You're true
you.
girlfriends.
Thank you.
So adopted girlfriends. They're with the Whole Country Caboodle. This is Leanne and Kaytlyn, and I can't be more excited about this partnership. And there are some really fun things coming. So thank you so much for
Thank you,
joining
Allison.
us. I can't wait to get started. And like I said, if you want any information or if you have any questions, feel free to call our customer service line. Feel free to follow the links below. Feel free to log on to our website. We'll have all the information for you. And I can't wait till next time.